I love chocolate. Specifically, dark chocolate, otherwise often referred to as superfood in disguise. Dark chocolate is known for its rich, bittersweet taste and has been a beloved treat for centuries. However, it's important to understand what makes dark chocolate so special. Unlike milk chocolate, which is loaded with sugar and milk solids, dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of cocoa solids, the source of its nutritional power. The journey of dark chocolate begins with the cacao bean, which thrives in tropical climates near the equator. Fun fact, over 70% of the world's cacao is produced in West Africa. In this video, follow me as we explore the origins of dark chocolate, delve into its proven health benefits, and uncover how you can enjoy it as part of a healthy lifestyle. Dark chocolate is more than just a treat, it's a nutrient-dense powerhouse. High-quality dark chocolate with 70% or more cocoa content is rich in minerals like iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions from oxygen transport to bone health. Dark chocolate is also packed with antioxidants including flavonoids, polyphenols, and catechins. These compounds help combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. In fact, dark chocolate contains more antioxidants than many so-called superfoods such as blueberries and acai berries. It's also a source of healthy fats, which support brain health and provide sustained energy. What makes it even more impressive is that it's naturally low in sugar, especially when compared to milk or white chocolate. One of the most well-documented benefits of dark chocolate is its positive impact on heart health. Research has shown that consuming dark chocolate in moderation can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The flavonoids in dark chocolate stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and enhances circulation. This process helps lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, contributing to overall heart health. Moreover, dark chocolate has been found to lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while raising HDL cholesterol, the good kind. These changes in cholesterol levels reduce the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. By incorporating dark chocolate into your diet, you're giving your heart a delicious boost. Dark chocolate isn't just good for your heart, it's also a treat for your brain. The flavonoids in dark chocolate enhance blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive function, and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that consuming dark chocolate can improve memory, attention, and problem-solving skills, making it a brain-boosting snack. Dark chocolate also contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, natural stimulants that can enhance focus and alertness. Unlike coffee, which can sometimes cause jitters, dark chocolate provides a gentle energy lift. Additionally, it promotes the release of feel-good chemicals like endorphins and serotonin, which can elevate your mood and reduce stress. This combination of mental and emotional benefits makes dark chocolate a well-rounded choice for brain health. Believe it or not, dark chocolate can even benefit your skin. The flavonoids in dark chocolate help protect your skin from harmful UV rays, improving its ability to resist sun damage. These compounds also enhance blood flow to the skin, increasing hydration and giving your complexion a healthy glow. While it's not a replacement for sunscreen, dark chocolate can complement your skincare routine by providing internal support for skin health. Dark chocolate is also beneficial for your gut. It contains prebiotic compounds that promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, such as Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and even better mental health. Research suggests that the polyphenols in dark chocolate can help reduce inflammation in the gut and support overall digestive well-being. Emerging research indicates that dark chocolate may improve vision. By enhancing blood flow to the retina, the flavonoids in dark chocolate could support better visual acuity and contrast sensitivity. While more studies are needed to confirm these findings, early results are promising and add to the growing list of dark chocolate's benefits. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Dark chocolate's rich concentration of antioxidants helps combat inflammation at a cellular level. Regular, moderate consumption has been shown to lower markers of inflammation, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic conditions. It might seem counterintuitive, but dark chocolate can support weight management when consumed mindfully. Its rich and intense flavor can satisfy sweet cravings with just a small amount, reducing the temptation to indulge in sugary snacks. Dark chocolate may also help regulate appetite by influencing hunger hormones like ghrelin, making you feel fuller for longer. When paired with a balanced diet, dark chocolate can be a helpful ally in maintaining a healthy weight. If you've ever felt a surge of happiness after eating dark chocolate, you're not alone. Dark chocolate contains compounds like phenylethylamine, which can mimic the feeling of falling in love. It also stimulates the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. Combined with its serotonin-boosting effects, dark chocolate acts as a natural mood enhancer, making it a perfect pick-me-up on a tough day. While dark chocolate offers numerous benefits, moderation is key. Overindulging can lead to excessive calorie and sugar intake, negating its healthful properties. Experts recommend consuming 1 to 2 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate per day. It's also crucial to choose brands with minimal additives and high cocoa content, ideally 70% or more. Some commercially available dark chocolates are loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats, so always read the label before purchasing. Overconsumption can lead to risk of formation of kidney stones as well. This is because dark chocolate contains oxalates, compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, especially in people prone to oxalate stones or those who consume other oxalate-rich foods in large quantities. Lastly, the combination of sugar and fat in chocolate can stimulate the brain's reward system, potentially leading to compulsive overeating or difficulty moderating consumption, or as we simply put it, addiction. Dark chocolate is more than a decadent treat. It's a nutrient-rich food with a host of health benefits for your heart, brain, skin, and overall well-being. From its ancient origins to its modern-day popularity, dark chocolate has stood the test of time as a symbol of indulgence and vitality. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, improve your heart health, or simply satisfy a craving, dark chocolate can be a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. Just remember, quality and moderation are key, so the next time you're choosing a snack, consider reaching for a piece of dark chocolate. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite brand of dark chocolate? Or, would you consider having some dark chocolate from now on? I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.